En Dümmen Orange encuentras las variedades de rosas más impresionantes para trabajar durante todo el año.
Hi, I'm Bas Pellenaars. I am the Commercial Director for Latin America for Dümmen Orange. Dümmen Orange is one of the largest breeders and propagators in the world. You might know us from the very first decorative calancho that was ever introduced, the Calandiva, or the many annuals that each year brighten up yards around the globe. But today I'm coming to you from Flores Prisma, where we are having our rose open house and where we are showing the latest and greatest. From proven winners like Deep Purple to our latest hit, Momentum, and a wide range of spray roses available in all colors of the rainbow. But I'm particularly proud that we are having the very first rose branded with our Intrinsa. Intrinsa is our brand that we are using for resistant varieties across all our genetics. And this is intended to give our customers and growers around the world better peace of mind. If you want to learn more about Intrinsa or our genetics, look us up on social media or check us out at any of our future events. Hope to be seeing you there.